Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Arif Shah bin Mokhtar, and today I will present my project titled Inspection and Maintenance Practices of Fire and Gas Detection System in Industrial Facilities. This project was completed for the course BDG 34103 Fire and Gas Detection and Emergency Shutdown System. The presentation focuses on the importance of inspecting and maintaining fire and gas safety system to ensure industrial safety and reduce the risk of accidents. Next, before discussing the inspection activities, it is important to understand what a fire and gas detection system is. A fire and gas detection system is a safety system that continuously monitors industrial facilities for dangerous conditions such as gas leaks, smoke, or fire. Once a hazard is detected, the system immediately activates alarms and may also trigger an emergency shutdown system or ESD to reduce the risk of injury and equipment damage. Regular inspection and maintenance are essential because detectors and safety equipment can become dirty, damaged, or malfunction over time due to harsh industrial environment. Without proper maintenance, the system may fail during an emergency. The objectives of this project are to understand current inspection and maintenance practices, identify operational issues, and recommend improvement that can increase system reliability and workplace safety. Now, we move to project scope. This project covers three main areas. The first is inspection activities, which include checking the condition of fire protection equipment, emergency exits, exit sign, and ensuring that all safety equipment is accessible and functioning properly. The second area is maintenance activity, where routine servicing, cleaning, testing, and repairs are performed to maintain the reliability of the safety equipment. Finally, the project also includes a review of safety documentation, such as inspection records, maintenance log, and compliance with industrial safety procedures. These records are important because they help ensure that maintenance activities are carried out according to established standards. After that, we move to fire and gas detection system overview. A fire and gas detection system normally consists of three main types of detectors. The first is the gas detector. It is used to detect combustible or toxic gases before they reach dangerous concentration. These detectors are usually installed near pipelines, storage tanks, or other potential leakage points. The second is the flame detector. Unlike a smoke detector, it detects the ultraviolet or infrared radiation produced by flames. This allows it to respond very quickly, especially in open industrial areas. The third is smoke detector, which detects smoke particles in enclosed spaces such as offices, control room, or storage areas. It provides early warning before a fire spreads. Together, these detectors help protect workers, equipment, and industrial facilities by providing early hazard detection and supporting emergency response action. Now we move to slide 5, which is standards and safety requirements. All inspection and maintenance work must follow recognized safety standards. For example, an FPA-10 provides requirements for inspecting and maintaining portable fire extinguisher, while an FPA-101 focuses on emergency exits and life safety. The project also refers to ANSI ISA 84007 and IEC 60079-2092, which provide guidance for fire and gas detection system and safety instrumented system. In addition, every maintenance activity must be carried out safely. Therefore, workers are required to wear proper personal protective equipment or PPE, including a safety helmet, reflective safety vest, safety boots, and safety glasses before entering the work area. Next, we go through the methodology. This project followed a structured five-step methodology. The first step was planning, where the inspection checklist and work scope were prepared. The second step was visual inspection, during which the physical condition of safety equipment, emergency exits, and exit sign was checked. Next was maintenance observation, where routine maintenance activities such as pressure checks and battery testing were observed. The first step involves data collection through inspection records, photograph, and maintenance document. Finally, the collected information was analyzed to evaluate the effectiveness of the current inspection and maintenance practices and to identify areas for improvement. For inspection activities, during the inspection at my company, which is Nasdaq Solution, several important safety components were examined. First, emergency exits were checked to ensure they were not blocked and could be used immediately during an emergency. Next, fire extinguishers were inspected to verify their condition, pressure level, location, and accessibility. The visibility of exit signs were also checked to ensure workers could easily identify the evacuation routes. Finally, regulation inspection help identify problems early before they become serious safety hazard. Next is maintenance activities. Routine maintenance ensures that all safety equipment continues to operate properly. Several maintenance tasks were observed during this project. This included checking the pressure gauge of fire extinguisher to verify the pressure level, inspecting safety seals for damage or leakage, testing emergency backup batteries, cleaning equipment to remove dust and dirt, and updating maintenance record after every inspection. These activities help extend equipment life, improve reliability, and ensure compliance with safety regulation. Besides, for the result and findings, the inspection identified several positive findings. For example, the fire extinguisher were in good condition and correctly positioned. Next, the exit signs were clearly visible and functioning properly. The emergency assembly point was also accessible and free from obstruction. However, several issues were also identified. One emergency exit. For slide number 10, which is analysis, from this project, several strengths and weaknesses were identified. The main strengths are that regular manual inspections are performed consistently and general housekeeping practices are satisfactory. However, there are important weaknesses. The current safety system depends heavily on human inspection, which may lead to human error or delay hazard detection. There is also no automated alarm system or ESD, which is emergency shutdown integration, meaning hazard coded actions. Based on the findings, four recommendations are proposed for my company, Aztec Solutions. The first one, install an automated fire and gas detection system to provide continuous monitoring and early warning. Second, increase the maintenance frequency for critical safety equipment. Third, replace manual record with digital maintenance documentation to improve traceability and simplify audits. Last but not least, conduct regular emergency drills to improve workers' preparedness and ensure they know how to respond during emergency situations. In conclusion, inspection and maintenance are essential for ensuring that fire and gas safety systems remain reliable and effective. The current facility has basic manual safety measures that are functioning properly, but it lacks automated fire and gas detection technology. By implementing the recommended improvement, the facility can achieve higher safety standards, reduce operational risk, and better protect workers, equipment, and the environment. Thank you very much. I'm happy.